In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email in HubSpot. Now, to do this here from your dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to hover over marketing. And then from here, you want to click on email, which should be over here around the top. Now, inside this email section, you can then go and create an email. As you can see, you have any of these recommended templates over here. There's 3 for me right now: simple, newsletter, and promotion, where you can click on view all templates to actually see all of them, and you can just go ahead and use any of these pre-built ones for your email that you want to create. Now, of course, that's the first option. So if I hit the use template button over here, let me show you how this is going to look. There we go. As you can see, this is going to be like kind of the preview. You can select who you want to send to, who you not want to send to. You can select who it's from, the subject line, etc. by clicking over here and typing it in over here. And when you're ready, click on the preview and test, and then review and send. And that's essentially how to create an email. But if you want to go from scratch, you can go back top left. And then from here, let me actually go back once more, or hit the create email button. You can then just go and select regular, for example, and it's going to allow you to basically create a new one by clicking custom over here. And you can of course go and create a new template, or you can just go and use like a drag and drop. Okay, so I'm going to create a new design. I'm going to click on start from scratch over here, and that's going to allow me to start from scratch. Now, as you can see, these 2 things are default, so who you're sending to and who you don't want to send to. Click on here, and you can basically select a segment, or of course, like a specific person or whatever. You can go and select the audience, stuff like that. And then, of course, the subject line, for example, as well. I'm going to name this one tutorial, and then preview text, tutorial mail. That's going to be it for now, okay? From name, you can also set this over here, or you can go and select from address, etc. And then this is where you can drop your content. So click on over here, and you can go over here on the left. You can always go and kind of drag and drop. So click on the plus button. You can go and drag on some text, where you can of course type in something you want. You could also go and do like things like, as you can see, buttons, socials, videos, images. There's a bunch of different things you can do, and just like with a few website builders out there which you can use, it's going to be the same thing to actually create these emails. So just keep on clicking the plus button, keep on dragging and dropping, and it's going to allow you to basically create your very own email that way. Of course, you can click or double click inside any of these building blocks to type in whatever text you want, to customize this, to kind of change the formatting over here on the left. And of course, here you have the template design as well, to basically allow you to kind of change colors and alignments and stuff like that. You can select who you want to send to over here. Then you have the schedule option. You have the option of setup over here, which there's a bunch of different additional settings. And then if you want to automate anything, you can also go a bit more advanced and use this automation as well. But for now, I'm actually going to go and just use it like that. So it's going to be super basic, but you get the point. That's how we do it. Drag on the blocks, click on a block, customize it here on the left, and that's really all you have to do. When you're done and happy with your email and you have all the recipients set up, you can just go and preview and test it up top, and you can then go and click on review and send. Now, if there's any required fields over here, like recipients, for example, you won't be able to send, but when you actually finish all of these, you'll be able to then send it, and that way create an email in HubSpot. So that's really it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.